Hello friends, this is the simplest circuit using BC541 we have done. Now you can see there is a no LED blinking. Okay, so on a YouTube I just gone through some content where this circuit is blinking. So either the person will doing something which is like turning off on, but still it's not blinking. Okay, so either the person will doing this, because yes, this is the only thing which can happen. So right now I'll recreate the same circuit to give you the demonstration. Okay, so here I'm having the BC547. I'm placing that here again. I'm having 100K. Okay, just go and check the color code video to identify whether the how to get the value of register by its a color code. Okay, so here I have placed the 100K to the VCC, and then I'm connecting the base terminal. So here the base we have to connect to the ground directly. Here I'm doing that only. Here I'm having a ground, so just making it short. And then I have to connect the VCC, I have to connect an LED to the VCC circuit. So here is the LED. I need to check that first, is it like working or not. So yes, the LED is working, you can see that clearly. So here only I'm just placing the LED. It's a positive towards the VCC and negative towards the collector. Here I have done with the connection, and here we go. Okay, so here you can see like collector, negative, and here. So I have created the circuit again, and you can see there is a no blinking over here. The LED is continuously on, and the video that we have posted and saw on a YouTube is actually nothing but the wrong one or the fake one. So please do subscribe to my channel to get the real content. Thank you for watching.